Hello. There is a story that I like to use in one of my workshops. It is a Japanese folktale, and today I would like to share it with you because I think it illustrates the point I would like to make so well. Long ago, in a small faraway village, there was a place known as the House of 1000 Mirrors. A small happy little dog learned of this place and decided to visit. When he arrived, he bounced happily up the stairs to the doorway of the house. He looked through the doorway with his ears lifted high and his tail wagging as fast as it could. To his great surprise, he found himself staring at 1000 other happy little dogs with their tails wagging just as fast as his. He smiled a great smile and was answered with 1000 great smiles, just as warm and friendly. As he left the house, he thought to himself, "This is a wonderful place. I will come back and visit it often." In the same village was another little dog, who wasn't quite as happy as the first one. This dog decided to visit the house. He slowly climbed the stairs and hung his head low as he looked into the door. When he saw the 1000 unfriendly-looking dogs staring back at him, he growled at them and was horrified to see 1000 little dogs growling back at him. As he left, he thought to himself, "That is a horrible place, and I will never go back there again." All the faces in the world are mirrors. What kind of reflections do you see in the faces of the people you meet? This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.